So in this lecture, I'm going to show you around the back end and the settings panel of your Snapchat and a couple of important settings to change to make sure that your Snapchat is running optimally for a business Snapchat instead of being running optimally for a personal Snapchat, which are the default settings on Snapchat. So you can see again, I'm in the first tab of the settings page right now, which to get here, you go from the camera tab, tap the little ghost at the top, and there we are. The top right, you can see there is another settings tab. You click that and that's the actual settings of your account. This is more going back where you manage your friends and your QR code, which I'll get into right now. So the very first thing I want to show you is the snap code, which is a variation of a QR code, if you guys are aware of that. It's the ghost inside the yellow box with what appears to be random dots around the outside. They're actually not random. They're actually dots that are unique to your account, and what this is a way for people to add you and find you on Snapchat without having to type in usernames like we did in the previous module. So I'm going to show you how this works really quick. On my computer, I have my own QR code for my account. I'm going to go back to the camera, and what you do is I'm going to hold this up to my computer. You can see that this is my QR code for my account. I'm going to simply click the photo button. So just take the photo. You can see at the top the purple loading thing. Added Benjamin Wilson, Benji Blue on Snapchat. So now, if we go back to our friends, my friends, you can see Benjamin Wilson is added, along with all the other accounts we already had added in the first place. So it's a really cool and easy way for people to add you on Snapchat. I'm going to go into really unique and cool ways to use this QR code for your business to get it in front of other people. But for now, I just wanted you to understand exactly how it worked. So if you want to try this feature for yourself, right now go ahead and take a photo of my own personal QR code or snap code that is on your screen within the Snapchat app on your phone. So open up Snapchat, go to the camera screen, simply just take a photo of this yellow box with the ghost inside that is on your screen right now, and I'll instantly be added to your friends on Snapchat. You can even send me a message or a photo telling me you're taking this course, and I'll Snapchat you back wherever I am in the world. So if you want to do that, go ahead and take a photo of it right now. So the second thing I want to go through, and it's not quite on my new account yet because we haven't been using Snapchat, but you can see on the account I've got in front of you, which is my main account, my Benji Blue account, you can see the number 3596. This is what's called your Snapchat score, and it's important to a lot of people. People try and get as high a score as possible, but what I want to point out for a business account perspective, there is no purpose on increasing this score unless you're just doing it for fun. And what this Snap score is made up of is the total amount of Snapchats received and sent by your account on Snapchat. There are a couple of other small factors that play a part that people don't actually know the exact algorithm, but in general, it's the number of Snapchats, so photos, videos, and chats that you've both sent and received to friends on Snapchat. So that's the Snapchat score. It doesn't really mean much right now. It might evolve over time as the platform evolves, but that is the general gist of it. So coming back into my iPhone now, I'm going to show you the settings panel, which is the top right gear icon. I'm going to click on that. What we want to do is we want to come in here and put in our name for our business, because this is what will come up when we send snaps to people. Total Pizza. Put in your business name there. Username is still the same. Mobile number, if you didn't put it in at the start, you can add it now. You want to go ahead and confirm your email address. So if you click verify email, they'll send you an email to this address and you can confirm it, just so you have a way to reset your password and make sure your account is secure. The other thing I want you guys to do, which is very important, come down to the additional services and click manage. You want to turn these on. You want to turn filters on because this gives you an extra artistic element when you're designing what you're sending out to your fans. And you can also turn travel mode on if you have limited data, which means it doesn't use up all your data while loading all everyone's videos and photos. The most important setting in here is who can. So I'm going to click send me snaps. It's already set as my friends. That's the preset. So that Snapchat doesn't want any random person sending a personal user Snapchats, which is fine. But for a business, if people are trying to reach you and you don't have them added mutually as a friend yet, you really want to see everybody who's sending you things, because there might be some customer service questions or just questions about your products or services, and you want everyone to be able to contact you. The same as your story. I'll get into the story a little bit later, but for now, just click everyone so everyone can see the content that you're putting out there on Snapchat instead of it just being the limited network that you've added as a friend. You can go through the rest of the information by yourself. It's not so important towards promoting your business, so I'm going to leave that with you. And that's essentially everything here within the settings tab that you need to know. You know how to add friends, you know how to add people from QR codes. I'm going to show you how to customize your own QR code and promote your business using QR codes or snap codes later in this course. You also know the settings tab. There's one thing that will pop up, and it'll be trophies. Again, because we haven't used this account so much and we haven't had any trophies awarded to us, there'll be a trophies little icon pop up in the middle of the screen at the top. And this is just Snapchat's way of encouraging you to use Snapchat more. It'll award you for having a certain Snap score. You just earn a picture of a trophy. If you send a video, you earn a picture of a video. And it's certain like little checkpoint markers that Snapchat do to keep people entertained on their account. So not much there to do with promoting your business, but it will be a feature that you notice that will pop up there. So that's it for the settings and the backend. I'm going to go on and show you what the stories tab is all about, how to create stories and what they are in the next lecture. I'll see you there.